Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are making rasgullas, and for that we need 1.5 liter of milk and then a juice of 1 lemon mixed with water. We are slowly going to add the lemon juice to the milk and are going to stir in until the milk curdles and we have our chena ready. Keep stirring in between. It's going to take a while, but keep your gas closed at this time so that you get a very soft chena. Sieve the entire mixture and in a cloth so that all the excess water drains off. And now we're going to wash it off so that the citrusy essence is gone, and squeeze it to get rid of the excess water and hang it for another 1 hour. Slowly we're going to knead the entire dough with the help of a palm and keep repeating until we get a very soft dough. Add 1 spoon of maida for a better binding. You can totally skip this step if you are wanting to make without. Keep kneading until you get soft dough and make few balls out of it. Add 1.5 cup of sugar to 8 cups of water. You can increase the sweetness if you want super sweet syrup, and get it to boil for 10 minutes. Make the balls and add them to the sugar syrup. Close the lid for 5 minutes and you will see them double in size. You take a small spoon and stir them to the back side and then close the lid for another 15 minutes. Then once you open, you will see that your rasgullas are ready, and then keep them closed for 20 minutes, and this is how your rasgullas are gonna look after 20 minutes of chilling. Serve them super cold.